Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I have explained in detail how to apply for Open Door Scholarship. In today's video, we are going to focus on one of the most important part of your application, the motivation letter. Unlike many other scholarships where you write a single essay style motivation letter, the Open Door Scholarship requires you to answer four specific questions. These are your personal goals, professional achievements, the reason for choosing a subject, and the reason for choosing to study in Russia. So let's go through each step one by one so you know exactly how to approach it. And before moving further, one thing more. Some of the students ask about, hey, can you write a motivation letter for you, or can you help me in writing a motivation letter? So the answer is, how can I write a motivation letter for you? I don't know your goals, I don't know your past. Motivation letter is just your story. What you have achieved, what you are going to do, and what are your personal goals. All of these things are joined in the motivation letter. So what I can do for you is, you can send me motivation letter on Instagram. I can review it and I will tell you what is wrong, what is right, and where to improve it. You can send me on Instagram, the link is provided in the description. I will review it and later I will make some review videos on motivation letters where I will review some of the motivation letters you write, and then I will tell which is right, which is wrong, where to improve each and everything. Okay, now let's move to the video. The first point is your personal goals. Here you have to write your personal goals. Here you should clearly describe your short-term and long-term goals. Be specific and realistic. For example, explain what you want to achieve during your studies, such as gaining advanced knowledge, improving your research skill, or building international exposure. Then connect it to your long-term vision, like contributing to your home country, becoming a professional in your field, or pursuing a academic career. And keep it authentic and avoid generic statements, and don't copy from ChatGPT or any other AI tool, because last year many students do the same. They write the motivation letter from AI, ChatGPT, Gemini, and other tools, but they got the 0 points when the result came for the first stage. So Open Doors has clearly mentioned in the rules that you don't have to copy from AI and ChatGPT. Just write on your own. Motivation letter is your story, not AI. Now the second point, professional achievements. In this part, highlight your academic, professional, or extracurricular achievements that you have made in the past. It will make you a strong candidate. In the past, if you have done any online courses, you have certificate, then you have to told here that I have done this certification, or any competition you participated in. This could include your university performance, research projects, internships, any work experience, or any kind of certification you have. If you publish a paper, participated in a competition, or earned any kind of award, mention them briefly here in this section. The idea is to show that you already have a solid foundation and the knowledge of your subject, that the scholarship will help you to move to the next level of your subject. Now move to the third section, which is the reason for choosing a particular subject. This is where you have to explain your academic interest. Why do you want to study in this specific subject? Why you choose this subject? Whether it's a computer science, engineering, economics, any medical field, or any other. Talk about what inspired you to pursue it and how it aligns with your goals. For example, if you are applying for computer science, you can explain your passion for technology, your experience in coding, and your aim to contribute to inventions in AI and software development. Always connect your subject choice to your career path and future ambitions. Now moving toward the fourth and the last step of this motivation letter, the reason for choosing to study in Russia. Why Russia? Finally, you need to explain why Russia is your destination of choice. Mention the strong academic reputation of Russian universities, the opportunity to learn from top professors and high quality education and research facilities. You can also highlight the Russia's culture diversity, affordable living standard, and the chance to build international network. It's important to show that you are not just randomly applying, but you have a genuine interest in studying in Russia. Now, when writing your motivation letter, remember to keep your answer concise but meaningful. Write around 5 to 8 sentences in each section, these 4 sections. 5 to 8 sentences. It's good. Maintain a professional but a personal tone. Avoid copying like AI stuff. Make it your story. And finally, always proofread before submitting. There should not be any grammar mistake in your motivation letter because it will cause a problem when the result came. That's how you can write a strong motivation letter for the Open Doors Scholarship. It is structured, clear, and directly answering all the questions that they have asked and what the organizers are asking. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more updates because I'm going to make some other videos on this scholarship. Like there are other steps like achievements, entrance test, like many other videos are going to come on these topics. So make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and good luck with your application. If you find any problem and if you need any kind of guidance, you can ask a question in the comments or ask me on Instagram. Link is in the description. Good luck.